2 for full-color LED display. The same method is used to connect the mobile phone and the LED display. It is different to edit a program in full color mode with a single or dual color. A video, image, text, timer, temperature, or clock area can be created. These areas can be stretched or moved freely. If more programs are needed, click the program icon to the Program Management interface and then add a new one. If more images are needed, click the Image area to add more. The parameters of the text area can also be adjusted through the attribute settings. After completing the program editing, click the Send icon and then the program will be played on the display. If there is no Wi-Fi module in the controller, the export function will be used. Click the icon and then connect the mobile phone with a USB cable. Insert the cable into the USB port of the controller. Then the program will be updated in the display. Return back to the main interface to see other functions. Firstly, the shake. Select an image in the mobile phone and then shake the phone. The image will be shown on the display.